Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. I wanted to let you know that my merch shop is now open on my YouTube channel via Fourthwall, and I've ordered a sample of a t-shirt here. You can see this is the Bella Canvas unisex t-shirt. I got the large size. I wanted to order something to kind of give you an idea of what it'll look like when it comes in the mail, do a little try on and talk about my experience with Fourthwall. But on my shop I'm going to be having a lot more than just t-shirts. We'll have hoodies, we'll have sweaters, we'll have mugs, we'll have posters. I'm planning to get these posters up there as well, and a lot of things with my logo. So make sure you check that out on my channel. Let's get into the review of this t-shirt. Okay, so it just came in this regular shipping bag. I've just kind of blocked out my address there. Let's cut this open. Alright, so it's just set in there, not in a bag or anything. Nice. There we go. There's our logo, True North VR. So as I mentioned before, this is the Bella Canvas unisex shirt. Take that sticker off there. Feels nice and soft. No cracks or anything in the print on the t-shirt itself. Yeah, let's try this on and see how it fits. Okay, so trying it on here, the fabric is nice and soft. The actual logo is nice and on there. It doesn't feel like it's going to peel off or anything. The fabric is stretchy and it's a good fit. It's a little bit thinner of a fit, a little bit tighter, more form-fitted. It is a unisex shirt, this one here. So overall, my experience has been pretty good. I ordered it on July 20th. I received it 2.5 weeks later. I'm in Canada, so it did have to go through customs coming from the United States up to here. And so that's pretty average. I wasn't too worried about that shipping time there. Price point on my shop, you'll find this for $20. It is one of the cheaper t-shirt options that I wanted to offer all of you. Again, like I said before, it is a little bit of a tighter fit. This one here, because it is unisex, it is nice and soft. It is a little bit stretchy, but it does feel good quality here. So I'm interested to see some other products. If you are looking at getting a Fourthwall account or just looking at purchasing from me and wanted to see what this one was like, I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.